Paul, yes. I was just thinking of the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. Yes. Now, I know you're a state of Washington employee and you work in child support services. Pooch. You work in child protection services. Yes. And you contact me. You expect me to contact you, and you say, well, Paul, you owe $126,000 in back child support, and we're going to get a judgment against you to put you in jail so as to teach you a lesson. Pooh. Now, I try to explain to you, well, they actually issued the dissolution of marriage without giving me any notice of court hearings, without me seeing the actual permanent order for support. Yes! Without me seeing the actual permanent custody order. Yes. And they made up some bullshit excuse about how the mail was returned unclaimed. Issued it in absentia. And I tried to communicate with those in law enforcement about how it's a crime to not protect the due process rights of Americans. But they said, well, if you have a problem, you can motion the court. Well, let's see, child support services. Is it $21,000 or is it $126,000? Now, I know you probably got a copy of the dissolution of marriage and that permanent court order. Pooch. But when I try to explain to you my rights as a father, all you see is a domestic abuser. Pouch! A child abuser. Well, I was living on Guam when they issued that judgment in Superior Court, and we were homeless then. Oh, we were on welfare. Ooch. And then you decided to issue a protection order where I wasn't a resident of Washington State, and you gave custody of my sons to my wife. Yes. And then she decided to file a dissolution of marriage 20 days after I allegedly violated the protection order. Pooch. Then you reissued the protection order. Ooch. When I had been found guilty and found not guilty. Yes. And for some stupid fucking reason, child support thinks that I owe $126,000 fucking dollars because nope. Now, let's say I sue CPS, CSS, and all of those that work in welfare. Ooch. Why don't you give me every state of the United States? It seems that the judgments of the court that violate the rights of the parent, pooch, they don't give a fuck about what the judge said. They're there to enforce. Now listen, Deputy Prosecutor for Child Support Services. I'm going to sue every fucking employee right now.